Voilà ma nouvelle voiture. En France, le premier étage est au-dessus du rez-de-chaussée. Ils ont acheté de nouveaux vêtements. C'est un vieux bâtiment.
Bonjour and good morning from Aix-en-Provence. We're here at the city center on Cours de Marabout, and we are going to do some shopping, and then we're going to head off to Chateau la Coste. But first, shopping.
Est-ce qu'il pleut encore? Il va faire du soleil. Le rez-de-chaussée est au-dessous.
Bonjour. So the good thing about not taking the cruise ship port excursions is that you can get places earlier and have great things like this. The Briggs truck backing up. What I meant to say was have great things like the solitude of this mountain all to yourself.
C'est pas trop loin d'ici.
So we're walking down Cours de Marabout. Lots of cute little side streets and shops that are just starting to open now. Beautiful all the way around. Pretty little fruit stand or truck. I'm in heaven. These are all beautiful wine fields, vineyards, and there's actual grapes on here, the real thing.
C'est un vieux bâtiment. Il ressemble à celui-ci.
If I had my eyes closed, I wouldn't even think this was good.
And blind tasting, 90% of the people think it's a wine.
I would think it was, yes, I would think it was like some type of Riesling from Alsace or something.